These are the top 10 of most famous locations in Japan. Number 1. The Shinto Shrine of Fushimi Inari, located south of the city of Kyoto, is one of the most well-known and important sanctuaries in Japan, as well as one of the oldest, as it has existed since the 8th century. Number 2. The Peace Memorial Park, of more than 122,000 square meters, is dedicated to a legacy of Hiroshima as the first city to suffer a nuclear attack, and the memory of all the victims of the bomb. Number 3. The Sanctuary of Tsukushima or Tsukushima Jinja is one of the most famous sanctuaries among tourists who think of traveling to Japan. It is, in its own right and takes to its story, the main tourist attraction of the island of Miyajima, very close to the city of Hiroshima. Number 4. The Kinkakuji or Golden Pavilion is one of the most famous temples in Kyoto and must be visited by any tourist who is in the city. It is a Zen temple located north of Kyoto that has the distinction of having the outer walls of the two upper floors covered with gold leaf. Number 5. Todaiji Temple, located at the northern end of Nara Park, is one of the most popular temples among tourists visiting Japan and one of the reasons to visit Nara, without a doubt. Number 6. The Mount Takao is located west of Tokyo in the Kanto mountain range, just an hour's train ride from downtown Tokyo. It is considered a sacred mountain. The Yakuin Temple, a place of pilgrimage, is located on one side of the mountain. The Yakuin Temple was created by order of the Emperor Shomu in 744. It has been more than 12,000 years since the people venerate the temple. Number 7. The Kiyomizu-dera or Kiyomizu-dera Temple literally means Temple of Pure Water. It's a set of temples in a religious enclosure located in the Higashiyama district east of Kyoto and a World Heritage Site by UNESCO since 1994. Number 8. The Shinjuku-gyoen National Park is one of the great parks and gardens of the city of Tokyo. Located between the neighborhoods of Shinjuku and Shibuya, it offers an oasis of peace and tranquility in the most crowded and stressful city in Japan. Number 9. This Hakone Open Air Museum is one of the most visited museums by tourists in this part of the country. The museum was inaugurated in the year of 1969 and it has the first one in the open air of Japan, taking for decades really spectacular landscapes. Number 10. Narita Sanshincho-ji is located in the city of Narita and is one of the main temples of the Shisan school of Shingon Buddhism. The temple is consecrated to Fudo Myo, receiving credit to host the faith and worship of many people. These are the top 10 of most famous locations in Japan. Number 1. The Shinto Shrine of Fushimi Inari, located south of the city of Kyoto.